Hey everyone, welcome back to Robotech Zone. Today I've got something exciting to share with you, the EtechRobot Arduino kit. I recently got my hands on this kit and I'm eager to walk you through my experience. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our tech reviews and DIY projects. Now, let's get started. The first thing that caught my eye was the packaging. EtechRobot has done a great job in presenting the kit. As I opened the box, I was greeted with neatly organized components, making the unboxing experience enjoyable. Each component is labeled, making it beginner-friendly for those new Arduino. Now, documentation is crucial, especially EtechRobot includes a well-written manual that guides you through each component, its functions, and provides sample projects. You just have to scan this QR code. In conclusion, the EtechRobot Arduino kit is a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced hobbyists. The well-organized components, comprehensive documentation, and quality build make it a standout product. Let's take a closer look at the components included in the kit. We have If you're looking to dive into the world of Arduino, this kit is a great starting point. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you have any questions or if there's a specific project you'd like to see me try with this kit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.